وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين.
One of the du'as that all of us truly need in our life is a du'a of a blessed arrival. Many of us start on new journeys in life. Sometimes we find ourselves moving from one city to another. Sometimes we find a spouse who we plan to marry, and sometimes we may take on new tasks or jobs. When Prophet Nuh alayhi salatu wasalam completed the construction of the ark and the flood began, he was instructed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to embark with the believers in pairs of each species. As he set sail in the midst of the heavy storm, he made this supplication to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, seeking a blessed arrival. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Surah Al-Mu'minun in verse number 29, Rabbi anzilni munzalam mubarakan wa anta khayrul munzilin. O my Lord, let me land at a blessed landing place, and you are the best to accommodate that place. This plea symbolizes trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's guidance and care for difficult times, especially when embarking on significant life changes. It is a humble acknowledgement of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's supreme power in gaining security and blessing upon reaching a destination.
رب أنزلني منزلا مباركا وأنت خير المنزلين.